aí galera, tô aqui só para mostrar o funcionamento do Toconsat duplo HD. Muitos viram os vídeos que eu postei recentemente, mas não vi como é o receptor em si. Esse aqui é o duplo HD, ele é um receptor da Toconsat, muito bonito, funciona em qualquer satélite, só que o server abre mesmo Claro, Vivo e Oi, no caso Starone e Amazon. Bom, aqui está o canal HD da Discover. Vou mostrar aqui o menu de canais normal dele. Aqui é o menu, eu coloquei a intensidade mais ou menos 40%. Bom, ele é um receptor muito rápido. Ele é um dos mais rápidos que eu já vi. Só para vocês verem, vou segurar o controle. Vou segurar. Olha o tanto que ele é rápido. Troca de canais muito rápido. Tem a mídia. Essa atualização aqui, ela não tá pegando o IPTV. Carrega, já carregou.
In this seniority, angels give him the glory, creation sees his authority. He has prevailed over the law and the lost, and yes, he has paid your ransom, is nailed to the cross. I want you to know I'm righteous, so no man can persuade you, but you stand firm in the Son who was crushed to save you. Christ is Son of Man, the Lamb is still God, let no man persuade you different than this. King of Kings, Lord of Lords, He is. Let no man persuade you different than this.
Ele é bem rápido. Aqui nesse instalação de
Buried in baptism with them that was raised up, just as he has risen, his will is to change us. I aimed us is changed up to seek the things that are above our life's loves to please the King. So we're committed to putting to death our members and every evil desire that's springing up from within us. Our whole plan is believers, you know the goal fam is daily look more like Christ and put off the old man. Put on the new man he seeks to use and stand firm. There's no distinction between Greek and Jew. The pieces through what was done, the lies should stop. Salvation is through the Son, circumcised and not. Let his word dwell in you richly to show that you've known Christ, just to show as you've grown right through the show in your home life. I pray you're encouraged when this is received from Tychicus, written by Paul's hand. Remember mine, Christ is Son of Man, the Lamb is still God. Let no man persuade you different than this. King of Kings, Lord of Lords, He is. Let no man persuade you different than this. So stand firm in the faith, so stand firm in the faith, so stand firm in the faith, persuade you different than this. Let no man persuade you different than this.
Muito fácil configurar ele. Tá aí o funcionamento dele. Quando ele abre os canais, ele mostra o HD ou o SD. É um jeito de saber se o canal vai abrir ou não. Então tá aí, Toconsat duplo HD. Bom, quem gostou, inscreve no canal, curte, dá um joinha aí, curte o vídeo. Falou, até mais.
The problem is your faith is being wavered by these Gnostics, allowing them